Media training tip of the day, never speak to the news media in a moment of anger. Now, am I telling you you have to be this robot and be perfectly controlled, be a machine at all times? No. But if someone asks you a question or levels a charge at you and you just respond angrily, the problem is that's likely to be the most memorable moment of the entire interview. It's likely to be the only quote. That's what's going to get in the headline. Now, if you're channeling your anger on behalf of an entire oppressed group of people or an entire constituency, that's different. Then they may really like that and respect that, and it may help you build a following. But if it's just entirely personal, the real danger is you just look like an angry, petulant individual. So that's my challenge to you. If you don't feel like you can control your anger, don't do the interview yet. Wait a little bit longer. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak to the media and to live audiences. If you'd like to improve your own skills, please go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com and you can get a couple of my books at no charge.